Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are taking care of your health and doing your study well. Welcome back in English class. We have read the poem Nobody's Friend and knew about three children who are different from each other. Two children do not like to share their things with others. That's why they are nobody's friend. But one child shares her everything with others. That's why everyone likes to make her friend. In previous video, we have studied about prefix and suffix. By adding prefix or suffix, the meaning of the word changes. Like, if the word is shame and we add suffix in it, less, then the word will be shameless. And shameless is the opposite of the word shame. Let's move to solve a small exercise based on suffix. In this exercise, you have to add word less and make new words. The words are here on a screen. Let's add suffix in these words. The first is hope less. Next, friend less. Home less. Wire less. Need less. Helpless. Backless, effortless, breathless, speechless. इन वर्ड्स में लेस को ऐड करके हमने न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए और ये वर्ड्स रूट वर्ड्स के अपोजिट हैं। इसी तरह अदर वर्ड्स में प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स ऐड करके न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए जाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी को मैथ्स बहुत पसंद है ना? आई नो ऑल चिल्ड्रन लाइक्स मैथ अ लॉट, बट डू यू नो we can use maths in English also. अब आप कहेंगे मैम वो कैसे? आइए मैं आपको बताती हूँ। We can use number of maths in English. See how. Tricycle means a cycle with 3 wheels. इसमें हमने कौन सा नंबर यूज किया? 3. अब आपको ऐसे 5 वर्ड्स बनाने हैं जो नंबर से स्टार्ट होते हैं। कैन यू फाइंड सम वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विद नंबर्स? लेट्स नो अबाउट दीज वर्ड्स। द फर्स्ट इज ट्राइकलर, मीन्स हैविंग 3 कलर्स। आपने तिरंगा तो देखा ही होगा, कितने कलर होते हैं उसमें? 3. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सिक्सपेंस, मीन्स a coin worth 6 old pence. Next, ninepins means the traditional form of the game skittles using 9 pins and played in an alley. Next word is three-wheeler means a vehicle with 3 wheels. Next word is octopus. मैम इसमें नंबर कहाँ है? Students, octo means 8. So, octopus means a sea animal with a soft body and 8 long arms. तो देखा आपने कि नंबर की हेल्प से हमने कितने अच्छे न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए। If you find more words started with number, then share it with me. Do you know what the benefit of sharing things? You may say we get happiness. But there are some other benefits of sharing things. See the benefits in a form of a paragraph. Sharing or giving things to others, especially who needs, brings a joy on the face of the giver as well as receiver. When we give something to somebody, we feel a contentment and happiness in the depth of our heart. There are many people who are less fortunate than us. If we share or donate something to them, there is a smile or joy on their faces, which cannot be hidden. Giving makes us noble and more humane. Students, अब तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि शेयरिंग के कितने फायदे होते हैं। इसीलिए अब से आपके पास जो भी चीजें होंगी वो आप दूसरों के साथ शेयर जरूर करेंगे। Do you remember? I have taught you contraction. If you forgot, I will make you remember once again. Contraction are the short form of words which are used in speaking and writing. For example, cannot, can't. Now, let's solve an exercise based on contraction to enhance your knowledge in grammar. You have to make short form of given words. The words are here on the screen. तो चलिए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. We are, प्यार. What have, would have. We will. There is, theirs. She will, she'll. Was not, wasn't. You have, you have. Who is, whose. Were not, weren't. They are, they are. I hope you understood the contraction form of given words after solving this exercise. Now, let's move to practice time. The first question is, one of your friend is sad because her mother is ill. He has not brought his lunch also. What will you do to help him? Next question is, if there is a child in your neighborhood who is nobody's friend, what advice will you give him or her? Do you think friends are important in life? Why? In today's homework, you have to think, imagine and write your answers. My dear students, I hope you liked today's video. This is all for today. Again we will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.